Okay, so you found AMCI's YouTube channel,
Uh-huh.
and you're thinking about joining to boost your medical coding skills,
Yep.
but you want to make sure the membership's actually worth it before you commit.
Yeah, you want to know what you're getting into.
Exactly.
Right.
So we're going to deep dive into AMCI's different membership tiers.
We've got bronze, silver, and gold.
3 levels,
3 different price points.
each with their own perks and benefits,
So we'll break it all down.
and help you decide which tier, if any,
Is the right fit for you?
and your coding journey.
Yeah, because it's not just about the price tag.
Right.
It's about what you're getting for your money
Exactly.
and how those benefits can actually move you forward in your career.
Okay. So let's start with this thing called TU notes,
Yeah, those are interesting.
because I have to admit they sound kind of mysterious.
Definitely intriguing.
They're only available to gold members.
Right? Top tier.
So we'll get to the pricing in a sec.
Yeah.
But
Whose
first,
art are they?
what are TU notes?
And why are people making such a big deal about them?
And by the way, I've heard it pronounced a few different ways.
You too.
CHUN, or Jung, without the G.
Some things just say CHUN.
I guess it adds to the mystique.
Well, what I've gathered is that these CHU notes are like AMCI's secret weapon.
Oh, wow. Okay.
They're these super concise, focused notes that break down complex coding concepts.
So they make things easier to understand.
Exactly. They simplify things without losing the important details.
And I've heard people say they're amazing for exam prep.
Yeah, almost like having a cheat sheet.
But not actually cheating, of course.
Of course not.
Just a really helpful resource.
Right, it's like having insider knowledge.
Okay, so that makes sense why they're only available to gold
The
members.
gold standard, you know.
But let's back up a bit.
Sure.
Because to get to those CHU notes,
We gotta climb the membership ladder.
yeah, starting with bronze, which is the most affordable tier,
It's only $2.99 a month.
which is pretty reasonable.
Yeah, very accessible.
And even at that level,
You get some cool perks.
like access to those members-only live chats.
Those are really valuable.
I was thinking the same thing, because you're getting direct support from instructors.
Right. You can ask questions, get clarification in real time.
It's like having a personal tutor almost,
Almost.
but in a group setting.
Exactly. It's like a study group, but with an expert there to guide you.
So that seems super helpful, especially for those tougher coding concepts.
Absolutely. Those tricky scenarios where you just need someone to break it down for you.
Okay. And then we move up to the silver tier,
That's $9.99 a month.
so right in the middle.
Yeah.
And this is where we start getting into exam prep,
Yes, indeed.
because silver includes CPC and CCS-P exam prep lectures.
Specifically designed to help you ace those exams.
And I'm thinking, wouldn't those lectures kind of make the live chats from the bronze level?
Kind of obsolete.
Yeah, like if you have those targeted lectures.
Do you really need the live chats anymore?
That's a good question.
Well, I wouldn't say they become obsolete.
Okay.
More like supplementary. The live chats can still be useful, even during exam prep.
So it's not one or the other.
Right. It's about layering those resources.
You get the structured learning from the lectures.
And then you can use the live chats to dive deeper into specific questions.
Or maybe things that you didn't fully grasp from the lectures.
Exactly. It's like having 2 different angles to approach the material.
And on top of the lectures and live chats,
Silver members also get early access to new videos,
so you're ahead of the game,
keeping up with the latest info.
which is super important in medical coding because things are always changing.
Absolutely. You got to stay current.
Okay, so we've got bronze for that foundational support and community.
Right. The basics plus real-time interaction.
Silver for focused exam prep with lectures and early access to new content.
Getting you ready to pass those exams.
And then finally we reach the peak, the gold level,
Good top of the mountain.
$19.99 a month.
The most expensive, but also the most comprehensive.
Right, and this is where we unlock those coveted CHU notes.
The secret weapon.
But it's not just about the notes.
Gold also includes advanced instruction lectures.
Specifically for CPC, CCS-P, and CCS.
Those are the big ones.
So it seems like at the gold level,
You're really going for mastery.
taking your coding skills to the next level.
Specializing, maybe even aiming for leadership roles.
It's like you're not just learning the basics anymore.
You're becoming an expert in specific areas.
Okay, and just to make sure I've got this right,
Yeah,
all the memberships include access to the Discord community.
that's correct.
So regardless of which tier you choose,
You're part of that community.
which seems like a huge benefit,
It is huge.
connecting with other coders.
Sharing experiences, getting support.
It's like having a network of people who understand what you're going through.
Exactly. You're not alone on this journey.
So to recap, AMCI's YouTube membership.
It's like a choose-your-own adventure.
Bronze is your starting point.
Building that solid foundation.
Silver steps up the game with exam prep and early access.
preparing you for certification,
And then gold is the ultimate package.
unlocking the secrets of CHUN and propelling you towards mastery.
It's like choosing your level of commitment and investment.
Right. Where are you on your coding path?
What do you need to achieve your goals?
Do you crave that real-time interaction?
Or are you ready to conquer those exams?
And delve into the depths of coding expertise.
The choice is yours.
But no matter what you choose,
AMCI's YouTube membership seems like a valuable resource
providing the tools and support you need
to succeed in the world of medical coding.
and beyond.
So think about your goals
Assess your needs.
and choose the membership that aligns with your coding journey.
And we'll see you in the next deep dive.
Until then, keep coding
And keep learning.
and keep those sheet notes close.
If you're lucky enough to reach that gold level.
That's right. Aim for the gold.
Okay. We'll see you later.
Bye for now.